Welcome to the Richland 2 Sports Wrap, a weekly show dedicated to the athletic teams in Richland 2.
We begin this edition of the Sports Wrap with a look at basketball. The Ridgeview boys opened up the season against Lexington. The game was back and forth, but the Blazers came out on top, beating the Wildcats 61-56. Blythewood traveled to Dutch Fork for the first game of the regular season, with the Lady Bengals losing 55-42 and the boys losing 69-66. Arnie opened up the season against Westwood. The girls' game was a close defensive battle, with the Lady Cavs coming out on top 34-33. Westwood dominated the boys' game as they went on to beat the Cavs 78-53. Spring Valley opened up the season against Lancaster, with the girls winning 30-25 and the boys winning 64-63. Westwood hosted Spring Valley in a district matchup. The Lady Vikings dominated the court with their speed and quick shooting as they went on to beat the Lady Redhawks 63-16. The Redhawks controlled the action in the boys' game with strong ball movement and quick drives as they went on to beat the Vikings 65-48. That'll do it for this edition of the Sports Wrap. Tune in next week for all your Richland 2 sports scores and highlights.